The Aztech compatible toner cartridge 4-pack for HP 87A/CF2 87A/CF2 87X is aimed at small offices and power users who need a cost-effective way to replace black toner for a fleet of compatible HP LaserJet/Enterprise devices. The product listing positions the pack as a value alternative to OEM cartridges, with compatibility across multiple Enterprise and prosumer HP models, M506 series, M501, M527 and related printers. For offices that print many black and white pages and want to lower per page cost, a multi-pack like this promises straightforward replacement and savings. As with all aftermarket consumables, the exact current price and available seller bundles change often on Amazon. Check the listing for the latest price and delivery options before ordering. Key features buyers look for include page yield estimates, how many black pages each cartridge will reliably print, compatibility guarantees with the specified HP models, and any warranty/return support from the seller. The listing emphasizes that these cartridges are direct replacements for HP 87A/87X and are compatible with the Enterprise M506/M501/M527 families. That's important because compatibility mistakes are the most common source of frustration with non-OEM toner. Customers also look for clear notes on whether the cartridges are chip-enabled to communicate toner levels to the printer and whether the vendor supports returns if there are compatibility problems. Customer reviews for aftermarket toner typically fall into two camps. Many buyers celebrate the immediate cost savings and report reliable print quality for ordinary business documents, while a smaller fraction mention occasional issues such as incorrect toner level reporting, shorter than expected yield, or the occasional DOA, dead on arrival, cell that required a seller exchange. Pros for this Aztech 4-pack: attractive per page cost, multi-pack convenience, you have spares on hand, and compatibility across multiple HP Enterprise models. Cons: potential variability in page yield versus OEM, the occasional compatibility/firmware hiccup on updated printers, and the general risk that some production runs may vary in quality. If you print primarily monochrome business documents and want to lower operating costs, this multi-pack is worth considering. Just keep a spare OEM cartridge if you rely on guaranteed maximum yield and warranty support. And yes, we share by